Please direct your attention back to the pitcher's mound and welcome Randy Newman, Chairman, President, and CEO of Alerus. Alerus is not only today's game sponsor, but also the official retirement plan provider for the Minnesota Twins and Pollad companies. Alerus is an integrated financial services firm focused on helping you get to your next financial milestone. Whether it's a new home, retirement, or business expansion, Alerus is your path to financial confidence. Randy is joined today by a large gathering of fellow Alerus employees and their families. Please join us in welcoming Randy and the Alerus team to Target Field, and we invite Randy to throw out a ceremonial pitch. Randy, it's your pitch.